What's up, Cornbread TV fam? It's your boy Lip Rippin' Junkie. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to get 6 rods and 1 net plus your tackle bag still on your kayak for no less than $20. So we got this stuff. It just came in the mail. We ordered them yesterday and they came from Amazon. Literally took them 1 day to get here because we were going to go to Bass Pro and I think they were like $6 or what, $8 a piece? We ended up getting 2 4-packs.
8 total.
They look like this. 2 4-packs for about 17 bucks. And they came with screws, but they're terrible screws. Woo, look at that torque, baby. Yee! So yeah, we're just gonna show you for about all around 20 bucks how you can get the max capacity of rods. We could probably fit another 1 or 2 on there, which we'll probably do later. Yeah. But for now, we're just gonna start with these. And we're gonna see how it looks. And we encourage you guys to do it because it's all about saving money, getting out and going fishing, and having a good time, boys and girls. Stay tuned. So we're sitting here messing around in the garage and my boy found some wood in the garage. And so what we have here is a new seat project going on, all in the midst of this little rod holder project that we had going on here. Now we're putting these seats in here. We're gonna spray paint the plywood black, well, it's not plywood, but it's just a piece of boards. But we're gonna spray paint it black. That was the old seat. Ripping that out.